there, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip. In this short video, we're going to show you how in very short, simple steps you can set up live lessons, right, in Quizizz. I'm sure you have heard of Quizizz being a very fun game, right, with a lot of joy of learning to solicit understanding of the students. And now we can actually have live lessons within Quizizz itself while still having some of the quizzes within the lessons. Can easily create lessons that have slides, and within your control of the games and activity, you can start the lesson by attracting the students' attention very easily. Immediately after a certain slide, you can have a quiz to test their understanding, something like that, right? That is fun. And then this is the students' view, and then you can see students' answer straight away as they presented and submitted, and encourage the student along the way. So let's have fun and dive right in. Open up a new tab in your Google. Type in quizizz.com and there you go. You will get into, if you're not signed in, you will get into this Quizizz page. Just click on login and just click on Google. Login through Google and then your account. Right, and then there you go. Will be in your teacher's page. Alright, desktop. Yeah. Teacher desktop. Alright, so now I'll show you step by step how do you import your Google slide. First, you click on this purple box on the top left hand corner, create, and then choose new lesson. Right, and then give your lesson a name. Alright, type in the name and then just click on subject so that you can be relevant and to be able to find it in future. Right, and then the next one is to choose a theme. If you don't have, you just click next. Okay, because you already have your slides ready. Right, you're right at where you want to add the slide. Click the slide and then just click on this little button at the bottom left hand corner called import. Click on this button and then you will be led into choosing whether you want to import the slides from your Google Drive or a PDF file. Now we'll be showing a Google Drive file. Just click on that. If you have already done something just recently on the file, alright, okay, you can click your account and you will be led into your Google Drive, and the first panel that will come out will be your most recent files, and then you can just click on the file that you have just made changes to, or the file you want to import. Alright, and the file will be appearing in the panel in about. It will take just a short while to convert all the files into Quizizz format. Alright, and once it's done, okay, I can actually unclick any of the slides that you do not want it appearing in your Quizizz lesson. Okay, if you want all, you just have to click import. Once this process is done, it will appear at the slides on the left hand corner. There you go, the slides has been imported into your Quizizz lesson, and the next thing is to add in the appropriate slides immediately, and any of the slides, just have to click on it, and then you can add various activities that Quizizz allows. To add in slides so that you can increase the gamification by giving questions, multiple choice, all the different type of questions that Quizizz allows, by just clicking add new slides at the slide that you already selected. Right, so what I'll do is that, because I already have a lot of Quizizz questions and quizzes, what I'll do is I'll do teleport. It means to import from another place, right? And then because I would like the questions from mine, I'll click on my library. So in this case, I can easily just select any questions from my library alone, right? And then once I click on the particular quiz, hover on it and click, right, I can select the question directly from there. So in this case, I would like to have this question particularly in at this relevant juncture. I'll just add question. So you just saw the top moving over and this page created. So you just click X, then you will see the page alone. The Quizizz question is there for the student to participate when you are going through the lesson with them. I'll show you one more time, and we just click add new slide, go to the top scroll to the top and click on teleport. And that's one reason why you emphasize on the particular lesson, right, or the topic, because it will actually gather all the so-called related kind of quizzes or lessons for your reference or your recommendations. They're also based on your title, right? So let's say I'm still in my library, I would like to choose another one. Okay, it's going to click on the lesson that I want, and just choose another question from there. Alright. The question goes over, the second question is selected, and you just keep on doing until I am satisfied with this part of the lesson for quizzes. Once I'm happy with all the questions, what I can do is I can also rearrange the questions over here by just clicking on the page and dragging to the location that you want. So the next thing you can move into is to select another slide that in the middle of the lesson and you want to increase the engagement of the students, and then you can just add on and any of the quizzes or activities. Click here, you can go up, teleport, and click another one. Once you have added in slides of activities and the correct quizzes, you're satisfied with the whole lesson, you just have to click save, and don't forget to do that. Okay, you have to find muscles. Now find a picture, alright, to represent your lesson. Okay, and then you can click insert and save. Okay. We'll click the grades. Save. If you're done, you're ready to assign them as a live lesson. Alright, thank you. I hope you find this useful, and see you again. Take care.